Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you a basic lip care range of Oriflame. The first one is the Tender Care Lip Balm. It's a protecting balm from Oriflame. So it comes in a very nice bottle of the sorts. Let's see the use of it first. So it is basically for hydrating and moisturizing your lips. It does leave a very moisturized tint to your lips. And it is useful for burns and other minor things also. It protects and heals your skin. Now let's see the other product, which is from the one range of Oriflame. It's a Lip Spa Care Lip Balm, and it does come in two colors. So this one is the pink color and the other one is the transparent one. So let's see what color does it give actually. So as you can see, it leaves a very shiny pink tint to your lips and it stays for long. So both the products I believe are very good. We give them a thumbs up. You should order them right now. And in case you liked our video, do subscribe our channel and comment. Thank you.